Hello guys, welcome to a brand new game. It's Bake or Die. Today we are killing the evil chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ten more seconds until evil chicken hatches. It's time for evil chicken fight. Cutscene. Boom, it hatches. I'm going to fight it. I'm here, evil chicken. Let's fight. He can shoot fire. This is half HP. Oh, that hurts. Yes, we won the fight. Bye guys, thanks for watching.